How to unblock people on WhatsApp. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click on settings. And here you want to click on account, then click on privacy. And once you are on this page, you want to scroll all the way down and click on blocked contacts. And here you will find the list of all of the people that you have blocked in WhatsApp. So in order for you to unblock one of them, you simply need to click on that person and a pop-up option will appear that says unblock this person right here with its name. All what you need to do right now is just click on it and wait for a moment, and as you can see, that person has now been blocked. And you can do the same with the rest of the people. So that was it for this video. That's how you can unblock persons on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.